Hello everyone! Welcome to a new episode of Bo's Slow English. Today we are going shopping. I am going to buy a new computer. It is time. It is time for me to upgrade from my laptop to a computer so that editing is more enjoyable and it is easier because then I will have a big screen. So you will come with me while I go shopping. And I also wanted to show you my summer outfit today. I'm wearing a hat. This hat is made out of a straw material. I am wearing a tank top. Here is a better view. So I'm wearing a halter top. Actually, it's a tank top, and the material is a knit material. See? Knit material. And that is my cute dog, Nari. What's the matter? She's crying because I'm talking too loud. Poor Nari. And to complement my summer outfit, I'm wearing linen pants. These pants are very comfortable. I can walk around. I can bend my knees easily. They're so flowy. Flowy means that when I walk and the wind blows on them, it flows in the wind. It's flowy. And I'm wearing fluffy house slippers, but I will change into my wedges. These are wedges, or I guess espadrilles is what some people call them. And I've had these for many years. I've walked all around the world with these, and somehow they are still very comfortable. They haven't lost its form. Form meaning the structure of it. During the summer, I like to wear my hair in pigtails. Pigtails. They are two ponytails. They're twisted into a little bun. I do not have any accessories on except for my rings. I normally wear a necklace, but sometimes I'm a little bit lazy. The only other accessory I will have is my purse. This purse is one of my favorite medium-sized purses. I can stick so much in it. When I say stick, I just mean to put. So you can sometimes use the word stick instead of put. I probably received this purse as a gift about maybe 4 or 5 months ago. And the structure has still held up really well. When I say held up, I mean that the structure is still keeping its form. I love the smell of the leather. I don't know what it is, but the smell of leather smells so luxurious. I love that this purse can be worn with a casual outfit like this one. I could also wear it to a business dinner. I could also bring it to a more formal dinner, like if I have a date night with my husband. Teddy Blake is having 2 sales this summer, up to 35% off some of their purses. There's a sale right now from August 7th until the 17th, and there will be a Labor Day sale from August 27th until September 1st. If you love it, you can check out the website. I will put a link in the description. I'm excited for you to come along with me to the mall I hope you learn some new vocabulary today. Don't forget to like and subscribe to show your support. I really appreciate all of your love and your comments, and I am super grateful for you. Now let's go shopping. Why do you like this mall so much?
Because it has a few stores that I like.
What stores are they?
COS, and Uniqlo.
First stop is the Apple Store, so I can get my computer. After I get my computer, then we are going to eat dinner. We are going to this place called Tocaya Organica, and it is an organic Mexican kind of fast food restaurant. I say fast food because it is quickly made, but it's not actually fast food. I usually get their bowls, which has rice, meat, maybe some avocado, salsa. What are you craving for dinner tonight?
It's called a chicken tinga burrito.
I love that burrito. And then we might go get dessert at this new pastry store in the mall. There was something else I wanted to do, but now I can't remember. What else would you like to do tonight at the mall?
We're gonna check out the computer keyboards.
Oh yeah, there's a gaming store at the mall. A gaming store meaning a store for gamers. And there's a possibility that I might get a new keyboard. I prefer keyboards that make a lot of sound and have really deep buttons. The standard keyboard that comes with the Mac computer is not good enough for me. So I will take you to the store in just a minute. If you're interested in supporting my channel, please join my membership. You can click on the button below. Hello. So I just left the Apple Store and I was very set on buying a computer, and the salesperson, who's not really a salesperson, convinced me to not buy the iMac because he said that it's not good. So now I have to figure out what to do. We're gonna go eat dinner and we will make a decision together, my husband and I. We are going to go eat Mexican. Here's the mall. It's an outdoor mall. Oh, there's no line. That's great. I'm gonna look at the menu. I'll do the grilled pineapple al pastor, but I don't want the Diablo chicken. I think it's too spicy. We have frescas back there, which is like a fruit juice. They also have beer, coconut water, still water, sparkling water, and some flavored sparkling water, as well as soda. We received a table number. We are number 7. So they will come and find us as soon as our order is ready. Here's our food. I have some cilantro rice with pickled onions, chicken, pineapple, black beans, and guacamole. And my husband got a burrito with corn, chicken, rice, beans. I would like a side of salsa. So I need to flag down our waiter to see if he can bring over salsa. Flag down means to ask him to come over. We are going in this gaming store. Maybe they have a computer for me. We have different types of keyboards. Hi. I went to the Apple store to get a computer and they talked me out of it because they said it wasn't worth it, basically.
What kind of computer are you looking for?
I guess I don't know, but right now I work with a MacBook Pro. I do edits on there, I do live stream, and it's a 2018. I'm thinking about getting a webcam. This webcam is $300. And this webcam is $200. There he is. Some flannel shirts. Flannels keep you nice and warm. I am going to wrap up this video. I'm so disappointed. I did not buy a computer today. See you next time. Bye.